Hello friends and welcome in English and You e-learning solutions. Friends, today's video is of multiple choice questions, and these multiple choice questions are related to compulsory English paper, that is core course for the students of SYBA. And in this video we are going to discuss two prose units, a simple philosophy and the homecoming. So let's start. But before that, friend, if you have not subscribed our channel English and You, below this video there is a subscribe button. You may click on it and subscribe our channel. So let's start multiple choice questions. First question: President of dash dash is mentioned in a simple philosophy, and the options are A. India, B. USA, C. Russia, and D. Spain. So these are four options, and the correct answer is B. USA. Second question: According to Seattle, the land is of dash dash, and the options are A. Men, B. God, C. Women, D. Animals, and the answer is B. God. Third question: According to Seattle, water of dash dash is blood of their ancestors. Options: A. Rain, B. Lake, C. Sea, D. River, and the answer is D. River. Fourth question: It is the opinion of Seattle that the white man thinks dash dash. A. The earth is his brother. B. The earth is neither his brother nor enemy. C. The earth is not his brother but enemy. And D. The earth is the God for him. And the answer is C. The earth is not his brother but enemy. Fifth question: The white man dash dash the air he breathes. Option A. Loves, B. Notices, C. Does not seem to notice, D. Appreciates, and the answer is C. Does not seem to notice. Next question: On what condition Chief Seattle agreed to accept the offer of the president? Option A. The white men must not treat the beasts of this land with love. B. The white men must give gold. C. The white men must give more money. And D. The white men must treat the beasts of this land as his brothers. And the answer is D. The white men must treat the beasts of this land as his brothers. Next question: Who is Phatik? Now these questions are from The Homecoming, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Question is: Who is Phatik? A. Ringleader, B. Selfish boy, C. Obedient boy, D. Teacher, and the answer is A. Ringleader. Next question on The Homecoming: Who is the writer of The Homecoming? A. R.K. Narayan, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. William Blake, and the answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question: Phatik dash dash is a central character in The Homecoming. A. Reddy, B. Mehta, C. Chakravarti, and D. Das, and the answer is C. Chakravarti. Next question: Makhan was Phatik's dash dash. A. Teacher, B. Friend, C. Neighbor, D. Brother, and the answer is brother, that is D. Next question. Fatigue gave command to his friends to roll the log and dash dash together. A. Neighbor. B. Enemy. C. Makhan. D. Servant. And the correct option is C. Makhan. Next question. Fatigue told wrong dash dash to the stranger. A. Concept. B. Poem. C. Address. D. Story. And the correct option is C. Address. Next question. Dash dash was Fatigue's uncle. Options are A. Anuj, B. Aryan, C. Bishambar, and D. Jatin. And the answer is C. Bishambar. Next question. Which mischief got into Fatigue's head? Options are A. To beat Makhan, B. To run away from home, C. To put a log into the river, and D. To cut a tree. And the answer is C. To put a log into the river. Next question. Dash dash took Fatigue roughly to his mother at home. Options are A. Makhan, B. Woman, C. Uncle, D. Servant. And the correct answer is D. Servant. Next question. According to mother, Fatigue was dash dash. A. Polite, B. Lazy, disobedient and wild, C. Humble, and D. Clever. Correct option is B. Lazy, disobedient and wild. And next question. Fatigue's aunt dash dash. A. Was very happy to see him in her house. B. Was not happy to see him in her house. C. Gave money to Fatigue. And D. Gave toys to Fatigue. So friends, the answer is option B. Was not happy to see him in her house. So these are 17 questions which are based on 2 prose units, a simple philosophy and the homecoming. So friends, if you have not subscribed our channel English and You, press subscribe button and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.